हेलो दोस्तों, मैं हूं अमित त्यागी और आज मेरे साथ एक ऐसी खूबसूरत अभिनेत्री जुड़ रही हैं जिनको देखते ही मुझे वो गाना याद आता है, अंबर सरिया। वही मेरा फेवरेट गाना है और उसमें प्रिया आनंद थी जिनको आपने इंग्लिश इंग्लिश में और पोट्रे बहुत सारी फिल्मों में देखा है। लेकिन अब ये वेब की दुनिया में आ चुकी है, इनकी वेब सीरीज सोनी लिव पर आ चुकी है। तो प्रिया, फाइनली डिजिटल डेब्यू कहूंगा आपका, ये जो नया शो आया है सोनी लिव पे, फीलिंग एक डेब्यू हो रहा है आपका, तो सेम फीलिंग जो फिल्मों में जब आपने पहली बार किया होगा वैसा ही डेब्यू वाली फीलिंग आ रही है, या यू फील लाइक यू
Yes,
लाइक?
I'm so excited. I think this has kind of made me feel like the world is my oyster. Now from here, I can take my career in a different path. All these years, I think when you start off, ऐसे कमर्शियल फिल्में करने सोचते हैं कि ऐसा गाना गाना है और डांस करना है वो सब. So now I think my mindset's different, and Sony Live with A Simple Murder has given me a new lease in life, and I feel like a new start. I have all the experience that I can carry forward with this new journey, so I'm excited.
The good part about the web series, the so-called digital shows, that you play characters that are real, they're edgy, they're not like those
Yes.
typical, the characters of a film, black and white. And the characters are
Huh.
great, true to life. So I think it's a good opportunity for an actor. Do you think it's like a golden phase for an actor that you can
It was
actually?
so exciting for me. Very, very exciting. And normally जब मैं शूट पे जाती हूँ तो एक्सप्रेशन नंबर 34 आज और एक्सप्रेशन नंबर 67 कर सकते हैं. हाँ, चलो करते हैं, एक्सप्रेशन नंबर 67 भी दे देते हैं उनको. So for me, after a long time, I got a script where I had to think, I had to kind of really connect with the energy of the character. But the writing was so good by Pratik and Akhilesh that, the work was already done. And art or set and the costumes were so amazing that I literally just had to go stand on set, remember my lines, and just react to all the amazing talent that was sharing this, scene with me. And I think the web space is really exciting for actors who are, really passionate about the craft and wanting to do something different. Filmmakers with new and fresh ideas, different kind of concepts that maybe star production houses or stars won't back up this kind of content. So that's very exciting, and a lot of underrated artists kind of get their dues, much deserved dues in this medium, because the writing is so good that you need talent to kind of really be a part of OTT platforms.
प्रिया, एक्टिंग जो होती है एक एक्सचेंज ऑफ एनर्जी होती है, तो साथ में
Yes.
अगर अच्छे को एक्टर्स हो तो आपकी एनर्जी भी जुड़ के एक मैजिक बनता है स्क्रीन पे।
The magic
तो आपके
happens.
को या तो हाउ आर द को एक्टर्स एंड व्हाट काइंड ऑफ बॉन्डिंग एंड एनर्जी यू शेयर विद ऑल ऑफ देम?
So day one was with Zishan, and when I started the show, देखो मैं फिल्में नहीं देखती हूँ मैं. I've never seen any shows, Indian or international shows. So I wasn't really aware of the kind of actors and who they were. But Zishan, I was aware of what he's done. So when I worked with Zishan, it was so easy. Like his energy is so comforting. Like I think immediately I kind of was Richa and he was Manish, and from day one, scene one, shot one, I was hitting him, I was throwing things at him, I was yelling at him. And once we said cut, I was like, Zishan, I'm sorry, I don't know, something, it's not me, it's Richa, like I'm actually really sweet. But working and watching Amit Sial, Sushant Singh, Gopal Dutt, Vikram Kochar, I mean, amazing artists, like watching all of them, NSD graduates, all of them, I think a lot of them are like trained actors. So for someone like me who does commercial movies, it was such a learning experience just to see their approach, their craft. And I think what I really took away from this experience was that they don't act, they act because of the joy of the craft, not because of the kind of fame and the adulation that comes after it, that follows. They're just enjoying the process, and I just kind of went with it, and it was the same for me.
तो आपकी जो फिल्में हैं बड़ी बेहतरीन है, जैसे मैंने कहा इंग्लिश इंग्लिश आपकी वन ऑफ द लेजेंडरी फिल्म इन योर पोर्टफोलियो, टुकड़े, एंड सो मेनी, एंड साउथ की आपने इतनी सारी फिल्में की हैं। तो how do you see you have evolved over the years, when you started off? How do you see your journey has been?
Like I said, the mindset starting में ऐसा था कि चलो मुझे भी कमर्शियल फिल्में करने हैं बड़े बड़े हीरोज के साथ. And I've done all of that. I was blessed to be able to do all of that. And I've been very lucky कि शुरू से मुझे बहुत अच्छे गाने मिले. From my first film, Vamanan in Tamil, to, Ambar Sariya and Fukre. Like how Ambar Sariya was in Hindi, I've had songs like that in Tamil, in Telugu, in Kannada, Malayalam. So I've been very blessed. So the audience, हमेशा एक gap tha, like, you know, between each language when I come back into a project, but the audience always remembers me because of the songs. So that way I'm very blessed and fortunate that work comes to me. And now with having done an OTT platform and having done so many films, having done all the masala work and commercial work, I kind of, the scripts are the ones that I want to choose, and, you know, exciting to work with great actors, to work on content that's very different. Like you said, doing the same thing is, you know, gets boring after a point. It's just, it becomes, like I said, expression number 1 to 100 unme se, like, you just choose stuff. But when you have such great writing, like Richa was so well written in the show, there's so many emotions. You know, she's lost, she's greedy, but then she's naive, she's you know, there's so much to her, and that's very exciting to kind of live that parallel life, live a life of another person is exciting as an actor.
आपका एक और बहुत अच्छा गाना मैं मिस कर रहा हूँ, लेकिन वो मेरा बहुत फेवरेट है, और
कौन सी?
वो था इंग्लिश विंग्लिश का, नवराई माझी। एंड द वे
Yes.
यू एक्सेंटेड वे में जो आपने गाया था, मैं चाहता हूँ एक बार फिर से वो गाना उसी एक्सेंट के साथ गाए, नवराई माझी। You added your own to the character.
Oh God, working on English was one of those, you know, life make the highlights of your life. One of them was English because ever since I was a little girl, school के बाद मैं घर आती थी और मैं रोज पूजा नाम लिखती थी because her name was Pooja and Lamhe, and I used to do drawings for her, and I grew up in Hyderabad. So my mom would say, oh, I'll mail all of these drawings to her address in Chennai. And I was such a huge fan. So to be able to work with Sridevi ma'am was, it's not even like a movie that I did for a career move. I actually let go of one of the biggest commercial films down south, Tupaki, with Murugadas, A.R. Murugadas and Vijay, which was, everyone thought like, ye ladki pagal hai, why is she letting go of such a big project? But to me, Sridevi she's like a goddess that I looked up to all my life. I never thought I'd meet her, let alone act with her. And I was so blessed. Like you said, wo magic when you work with such great actors, jo create hota hai. That was Radha's outcome, was that, because I wasn't thinking of my dialogues. I wasn't thinking about, acha, ye expression aisa karu, ye scene waise karu. It was just being with her, that aura that creates that performance. And Navrahi Maji is so special because Navrahi Maji plays in like so many weddings, and it's part of so many people's celebration. And so that's very exciting for me.
आपने गुनगुनाया नहीं एक्सेंटेड वे में।
हाँ, मैंने थोड़ा अवॉइड किया आपका क्वेश्चन, घुमा के मैंने बात किया, आपने पकड़ लिया मेरा पॉइंट।
दो लाइनें उसी एक्सेंट के साथ।
Oh God. नवराही माझी लाडाची ग, आवडावीला चंद्राची ग. I don't know the lyrics, but I don't remember it. But it's a sweet song.
Yes. So thank you so much and all the best for your new show. And इसी तरह रॉक करते रहे, फिल्में हो, वेब हो. I think कलाकार को अपने मीडियम की परवाह नहीं करनी चाहिए. I think Priya, you always rocked on your films, and now for your latest show, all the best.
Thank you. Thank you
so much, Priya. Goodbye. All the best. Bye.
Bye.
Goodbye. Yeah, bye.